Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video we are going to discuss about algebraic expressions. Before talking about algebraic expressions, let's first talk about expressions. Expressions are in general categorized into two types. One is numerical expressions and the second one is algebraic expressions. Second one is algebraic expressions. For example, if you want sum of 3 and 5, that means you can write it as 3 plus 5 in terms of expression. This 3 plus 5 is called as expression, and it is categorized into uh, numerical expression because here 3 plus 5 is only having numerical values, that means numerical constant values. So this is called as a numerical expression. Similarly, if you want sum of 5 and 10, you can write it as 5 plus 10. This is also a numerical expression because 5 and 10 are also numerical values. Now let's see about algebraic expressions. Algebra is all about dealing with unknown values. Algebra is nothing but dealing with unknown values. For example, if you want sum of 5 and unknown value, that means you can write it as 5 plus x, which is an algebraic expression because here x is an unknown value and 5 is a constant numeric value. Another examples of algebraic expressions are another examples of algebraic expressions are you can write as x plus 3 something like y minus 2. In similar way, you can use any number of unknown values. For example, you can write x plus y. Similarly, you can write x minus y. Similarly, you can write x into y, 2 into x. Similarly, you can write y by 2 or x by y. All these are algebraic expressions because they are consisting of unknown terms, unknown values. So they are called as algebraic expressions. Uh, if an algebraic expression, for example here x plus y, if this algebraic expression is consisting of an equal to symbol, then this algebraic expression becomes algebraic equation. For example, if you take x plus y is equal to 2, that means here this expression is having an is equal to symbol. So this will become an equation, and this is called as expression. In this equation, for example, let's take another example. X plus 2y is equal to 10. In this equation, x and y are called as variables because they are unknown values. Similarly, 10 is called as constant numeric value, and here 1 and 2 are called as coefficients of x and y respectively. Here the coefficient of x is 1 and the coefficient of y is 2, and xy are called as variables. 10 is called as a constant. Now let's see about uh, types of algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. Before talking about Types of algebraic expressions. Let's discuss about terms. That means, for example, x plus y is having two terms, x and y. Similarly, x minus y is having two terms. Again, x and y are two terms. But in case of x into y, it is called as one term because x into y is written as xy. So it is called as one term. Similarly, x by y is also called as one term. If an expression is having plus or minus, then it is said to be have two terms. If it is having multiplication or division, then it is having only one term. On the basis of these terms, we are dividing the algebraic expressions into different types. For example, algebraic expressions are categorized into three types. One is monomial, second one is binomial, and third one is polynomial. Monomial means having only one term. For example, x means it is having only one term. So x is called as a monomial algebraic expression. Similarly, 2x, which is nothing but 2 into x, this is considered as one term. So this can be also called as monomial expression. Similarly, xy, y by 3, x by y, all these are called as monomial expressions because these are all considered as single terms. Now let's see about binomial expressions. For example, x plus y plus z, a minus b, uh, x minus 3. All these are called as binomial expressions because they are having two different values, two different uh, two different terms. For example, if you are having x plus x, then this cannot be called as binomial expression because x plus x is nothing but 2x, which will become a monomial term. Similarly, x plus x, which is nothing but 3x, is also a monomial term. But x plus y can be called as binomial term because it is equal to 2x plus 5 and it is having two different terms. So 2x plus 5 is a binomial expression. Now let's see about polynomial expression. If an expression is having more than two terms, then it is called as polynomial expressions. For example, x square plus y square plus xy is called as a polynomial expression because here it is having more than two terms which are not unique. So this is called as a polynomial term. Similarly, a square plus 2ab plus b square is also a polynomial term because all these are different terms and there are more than two terms. So these are called as polynomial values. For example, let's see another examples. X 2x, 5x, xy, x by y, x by 2, x plus y, 5x plus 3, 6y minus z, a minus b, 5a plus 6. Similarly, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Similarly, x square plus y square minus xy. Or similarly, x square plus y plus 2xy. All these are monomial terms because they are having only one term. And these values are binomial terms because they are having two different terms. So they are called as binomial values. Similarly, these are called as polynomials because they are having more than two terms, more than two different terms. Here, in binomial, they are having only two terms which are different. In this, they are having only one term, so they are called as monomial. So these are the examples of monomial, and these are the examples of binomial, and these are the examples of polynomial.